going to show you how to build sales funnels super fast, super easy, no technical skills whatsoever that convert. Okay, so what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel starts out with your capture page first. A capture page is a curious page where people have to fill out a form to get more information. Then you want to send them to what we call a landing page. That is basically your sales page right here. This landing page will have videos, could have pictures and good ad copy that talk about the reason why they want to buy from you, why they want to sign up from you, all the exciting things. This page should be so exciting that they want to whip their credit card out and join in after they watch it. The third site would be your main site. Your main site is where they can, after there's a call to action on your landing page, like buy now, sign up now, this is where they go. You never ever want to send them here first though, because the person is not sold if they go here first. A lot of people make a mistake. They join companies, a company gives them a website, and this is what they go advertise, and they get 0 results, and they wonder why. Well, this site doesn't have any good ad copy, no good call to action, too many products to look at, too much stuff to get distracted, and people talk themselves out of buying. Also, people make a mistake where they start with a capture page, and they automatically skip the landing page and try to send them right into their main site. Again, that's the people that do that usually fail miserably. So do not do that. Here's how to build a sales funnel. Now, in the Conversion Pros, we make it so easy. We have 2 different ways to build sales funnels. First way is PB, not peanut butter, but pre-built. We already have pages pre-done for you in multiple industries that you can just grab and start using instantly with really professional ad copy that are already proven to convert and already proven to get tons of leads. Or you can use our DD, our drag and drop system. We give you tons of really fun templates, and it's really fun to build because you're literally just going to drag and drop. Well, let's show you. Well, first of all, let's pick an industry. It could be any industry because it all works the same, but let's pick weight loss. That's a big industry. So the first thing I would do is we have a share code section. If I click on landing pages, you'll see we have all kinds of different industries already done. But because we're doing weight loss, for example, I can preview any of these pages, okay? And let's say I like this page, it looks good, okay, and I wanted to use it. Well, I could come back here and I could click on it, I could instantly copy it, just like that. And that'll copy it into my back office where I can go edit it. Now we have the landing page. We want to add a landing page. Well, the way we did this is we added, at the top, this would be a page with 1 video. The second one has 2 videos. The third one has 3, and the fourth one has 4. You can add more than that if you want, but most of the time, this is about what most people use. So let's just say you had 1 webinar you wanted people to watch, and you wanted to send them there. So you can click on that. We're going to copy that, okay? So when I copied that, I'm going to show you. If I click on my page builder tab, you'll see now I have 2 pages in my system copied. The first one is the capture page, and the second one is the landing page. So if I click edit, you can see the capture page shows up. Now what I want to do is I want this capture page form to go to the landing page. How do I do that? Well, I just hit edit content next to the form, and there's a drop down box right here. This drop down shows me every single page that I have. So I'm just going to click on the page, the webinar page. I want to capture name, email, and phone number, and I hit save. That page is now going to the webinar page. So I click on save later already. So your capture page is done in 2 seconds. Let's go over here and edit the landing page. Okay, now these are just basic blank templates set up. So I have watched this webinar. So you can actually go and grab any webinar off of Vimeo, off of YouTube, it doesn't matter, Vimeo or YouTube. I click edit, I literally paste the video in, and it automatically pops up. Now this is again a 1 video page. If I had multiple videos, if I use some of our other pages, I could drop as many videos as I want in. But now we're doing weight loss, so let me go get a background real quick. I hit provide back, or pick a background image. We have tons of galleries already set up. So I just scroll down to weight loss, and we have tons and tons of great looking pictures here that you can use. So let's say I like this funny one here, guy's belly. I hit confirm. Now I can change this if I don't want to say watch this webinar. I don't have to. This is pre-built. I can actually also make the text smaller. You can change the text. We have 700 fonts involved, so you can change the text however you want. You can change the color, so if I wanted that red instead of white, I could. All kinds of things like that. We have a lot of training videos on how you can edit. So then, what you want to do is you want to add your main site now. They watch this video, you want to take it to the main site. We have a way, you just click on link. You type any link in this box, any website you want, and so when they click on that button, they'll go there. If you want to add your social networks to the page where they can connect with you socially, I'm going to show you a little of our drag and drop here. I just go down to social networks, I can drop them, and then I can click edit, and then I can add all my social networks I want, save, and it will put it there. If I only add one, like say Facebook, it would only show Facebook. You can also change the color of these icons. So I hit save. So now what did we just do? Let's show you. As soon as someone goes, you advertise this page, let's say on Facebook, Twitter, anywhere, they put in their name, email, and phone number. The minute they do, they will get redirected right to this webinar page instantly. So we make it super easy with the pages pre-done for you. Literally, that was under 5 minutes in an entire funnel. You might say, well, you have an autoresponder. I want to add an autoresponder. Okay. Well, I could come over here. We actually have a weight loss autoresponder. I can actually copy it, submit it, and again, you could go and edit, but there's 5 series of messages here. And watch this. When I click on autoresponder, it says weight loss. Okay, I'm going to make that active. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my page builder. I'm going to click on our capture page. There's a mail, it asks for mail campaign. There's a drop down arrow. I select weight loss and hit save. Now, anybody that opts into this page will get 5 messages in a row about weight loss that you can edit and put in your product or your testimonial. Remember, this is just an example. This could be Bitcoin, this could be back credit, this could be water, this could be travel, it could be skincare, anything. Our pages work with anything. We actually have pages built for everything, CBD oil, you name it. All right, so now I showed you how to drag or how to build them from our pages that were pre-done for you. Let me just show you quickly how our drag and drop system works. So you would just add a new page if you want to have fun. Click on any of our templates, click edit. And we have basic stuff already here. I'm just going to delete some stuff out of the way just so you can see how easy it is to drag and drop. Start from scratch. Okay, let's say you're building a weight loss system and you said, see how to lose 20 pounds. Okay. Well, now we want to get a snazzy background. So I click on pick background. Wait till it pulls up. We have so many cool backgrounds here. They're in alphabetical order, by the way. Go into weight loss. Let's say I like this gal here. So automatically, one click on my mouse, it becomes the background. Okay? See how to lose 20 pounds. If I want to add more text, I could just drag more text in here. Sick of dieting, then you need this product. Again, it could be anything. Now what I can do here is I can edit the size of it. I can edit the color of it. I can edit the actual text itself to do fun text. We have over 700 fonts in here. So if I change the text, you can see how you could change the text very easy. You can even italicize the text. All kinds of neat stuff here. You can even do this. If you want words certain colors, you can do this here. Whoop, let me do this again. If I want to make that maybe red, you can do that. So you can do all kinds of things. Then you need this product. Let me just say, fill in the form for details. I'm doing this really fast here. Again, you see how I'm just dragging and dropping? Like that. And if I want to do a form here, I'm going to say gotta save the page first. Okay. And then I add a form. So I could just go like this, and you see my form. I can just drag it, drop it where I want, edit the content, and there it is. And once I drag a form in here, I could change this too. So if I don't want it to say take a free tour, if I want to say get details, click here, whatever I want, you can do that. What is that? Very easy. Watch this. Change the background. If I want a green button instead, I can do it. Make it very easy. A couple other things. Let's say you wanted to drag a video in on your capture page. Whoop, that's a picture. I could drag a video in, and for example, this wouldn't be a capture page video, but just for an example here, I can just drag and drop and do this, and then bam, you can add videos right into your capture page. What if you wanted to do a picture? A picture makes more sense to me here. Watch this. Let's say I wanted to drop a before and after picture in this, because you know, in a lot of weight loss deals you do that. So watch this. I can just grab edit components. I can go this little camera, looks like a camera, edit content. I can go grab a picture somewhere and hit save, and now I can add a picture right into my capture page, just like that. Okay, and then it's very easy for me to go and build a capture page. So really, this is the most easiest system you'll ever use. Drag and drop, change fonts, change colors, add content. You could add as many pictures in as you want, as many videos in as you want. For example, if you want to do both and you wanted to have a video in here and a picture, let me show you. Whoops, that isn't what I wanted. Let me grab a video. So I could have a picture here. Again, it's just drag and drop. All I'm doing is copying and pasting. And so you could add pictures, you could add videos. That's how easy the Conversion Pros is to add things. And there's also neat things too, like this. We actually have video backgrounds if you want to use. So for example, if I want to do a weight loss video and make it the background of my page, I can actually go and select cool video backgrounds like this that really make your capture pages exciting. Again, all that's built in the Conversion Pros, and get this, if you want to try it out, we want to give you a free 14-day trial. No credit card, no bank account, no payment information, 100% free 14-day trial. Go try the system out, play with it, use it. We know you're going to love it, and we'll see you on the inside.